am from Nigeria, living in New Delhi. I came Agatala to deliver African food to a sister living in Odaipo. But on my way coming, I missed the road because I don't know anywhere here. My train passed Odaipo to Belonia. So I was in train station confused, trying to call back my sister because her number is not connecting. I was in the train station when police came and started interrogating me and took me to their station.
Come 2019.
I came to India 2019.
When you staying here? While you were staying here? Chandigarh.
Okay, I came India 2019, but I get a case, cybercrime case in Chandigarh, which I went there. I spent almost 3 years before my case was discharged and acquitted. My case was discharged and acquitted November 2024. November 30, 2024.
You will go now in this time you will go from Bangladesh?
No, I'm not going anywhere. I came to give a sister food stuff. Sister that's staying here in Tripura. I don't have any intention of going to Bangladesh. I don't have, what am I going there to do? I'm staying here in India.